Hello, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Okay, so let's go to the third subtopic on the chapter 4. Okay, what is the title? The title is 4.3 Translocation. Okay, let's go to the learning standard of the 4.3. Okay, at the end of the lesson, pupils are able to define translocation. Okay, number 2, justify the necessity of translocation in plants. And the third one is describe pathway of translocation in plants. Okay, next, we go to the definition of translocation. So what is a translocation? So the translocation is the process of transporting organic substances such as sucrose, amino acid and hormones in the phloem from leaf to other parts of the plant such as roots and stem. Okay, that is the meaning of translocation. Okay, what is a translocation? It is the process of transporting organic substances from leaf to the other parts of the plant. Alright, next we go to the necessity of translocation in plants. Okay, so what are the importance of translocation? Okay, first, translocations help in transporting photosynthetic products from the leaf to other parts of the plant that need them for growth. Okay, for growth. The first important is transport photosynthetic products for growth and also for respiration, such as in the roots, for the fruits, tip of the shoot, and also developing flowers. The second one is transport excess photosynthetic products to other parts of the plant such as rhizomes, tubers, and bulbs. Transport excess photosynthetic products to other parts of the plant such as rhizome. Okay, which one is a rhizome here? These are referred to the rhizome, and these are referred to the tubers, and these are referred to the bulbs. Okay, so there are two necessity of translocation in plant. Okay, next we go to the translocation pathway in plants. What happened in the pathway? Okay, number 1, sucrose is actively transported into the sieve tube. The sucrose is produced after glucose combined with the other glucose and forming the sucrose. So sucrose will be transported from the palisade mesophyll cell in the leaf into the sieve tube. Okay, by what process? Active transport. Okay, then number 2, the transport of the sucrose into the sieve tube through the companion cell from the leaf cell reduce the water potential in the sieve tube. Okay, so please understand here, when the sucrose enter into the companion cell and enter into the sieve tube, it will cause high concentration of the sucrose here, and automatically it will cause low potential of water. Okay, this causes water to diffuse from the xylem into the sieve tube via osmosis. Okay, we can see here the xylem, and the xylem consists of high water potential here, and then the water from the xylem enter or diffuse into the sieve tube, by osmosis. Okay, number 3, the water diffusion increases the hydrostatic pressure in the sieve tube. Number 4, the increase in the hydrostatic pressure causes the phloem sac to be pushed along the sieve tube to other organs of the plant. Okay, as we can see here, the hydrostatic pressure will push all the phloem content along the sieve tube. Okay, And then number 5, the phloem sap, which is referred to the sucrose, is transported from the sieve tube to other parts such as stem, root, shoots, fruits, and tubers by active transporter. Okay, as we can see here, the phloem transports sucrose into the fruit, okay, by active transport. Okay, number 6, the high water potential in the phloem causes the water to diffuse in order for it to return into the xylem by osmosis. Okay, what is the meaning here? Okay, when the sucrose enter into the other organs, such as the fruit, so it will cause low concentration of sucrose, low concentration of sucrose in the sieve tube, and at the same time, it will cause high water potential in the sieve tube here. Okay, and then what happened? It will cause water diffusion from sieve tube to the xylem. Okay, by osmosis. Now the water is returned to the xylem. Yeah. Okay, number 7, transpiration that occurs in the leaf pulls water along the xylem vessel against the direction of gravitational pull, and then the cycle will repeat again. Okay, so that was what happened in the translocation pathway in plants. Okay, I hope you all can understand the translocation pathway in the plants. Okay, that's all in the 4.3. Okay, thank you girls.